All right, let us consider this particular question so that we can move on to the next content of this particular topic. Okay, the question reads, a binary operation is defined in the set of real numbers how by please, whenever you come to this place, I want you to say a delta y equals to y square minus x square all over 2xy. Please, please, don't do that. Okay, this I want you to read this. X combined with y. It is a rule. Remember, it's the rules of combination. To yield, this is square of y, this is square of x, and there is a minus sign. So this is called difference of their squares. Just say difference of their squares, and you know which one that will have to come first. You know the one that is coming first. All right. So divide by, this is their product, twice their product. You must give me that definition. In fact, when you read it that way, you have solved the problem. Yes. Because for you to interpret this expression into statement, no, you have solved it. You have solved it now. You finish everything. All right. So now say, okay, that remember x and y must not be zero. Why? Because anything divided by zero is undefined. All right. So x and y must not, none of them must be zero, and also x and y belongs to the set Ha. Then you are asked to evaluate this and also solve this. All right, let's take it step by step. Okay, so you have the first one. You said minus 3 is combined with 2 to produce the second element square minus the first element square all over twice the product of the first element and the second element. So you can also read it that way to help you. So we move to the next step. 2 square is 4 minus 3 square minus 3 square minus 3 square remains minus 3 times minus 3. This times this is plus 3 times 3 is 9. So minus 3 square is 9. So you have minus 9. Okay. So what next? Under here you have this is 3 times 2, that is 6, times 2, that is 12. Then minus 12. And then this will be equals to 4 minus 9 is minus 5 over minus 12, so that you have 5 over 12 as your final answer. Okay, 5 over 12. So let's move to the next one here. The next one says solve for x, given that x is combined with 5 to yield 21 over 20. Okay, so let's see. Don't forget the rules. The rules is that first element is combined with the second element to give you second element square. See that? Minus first element square all over what? All over twice the product of the first and the second element. So what are you going to have? You have 25 minus x squared all over 10x. And it now say if this combination yield 21 over 20. So you say, given that given that the combination equals 21 over 20, so we can now solve it from there. All right, we can now solve it from there. Let's take this one to this side. So you have 25 minus x squared equals to 21 over 20 times 10x. And you know why I did that? Because this one will come on, cancel this one. All right, so you have 21 minus x squared equals to 21x over 2. So you cross multiply, you're going to have 25 equals to 21x. So you have a 50 minus 2x squared equals to 21x. So you take everything to one side. So you have 2x squared plus 21x minus 50 equals 0. All right, let's see. First of all, 2 times, this has yield a quadratic equation. So since it has yield quadratic equation, we can solve it using any method. All right, any method of solving quadratic equation. So I would love us to use factorization method. Okay, I will write this. You can use the quadratic formula. Yes, you can use the quadratic formula to handle it from there. You can use the quadratic formula to handle it from there. Okay, so let's see. You have 2x squared plus 21x minus equals 0. So if you multiply this together, you're going to have minus 100. 2 times minus 30 minus 100. So what two factors of minus 100 will give us plus 21 if they're added together? I think that would be plus 25 times minus 4. Okay, so you have 2x squared plus 25x minus 4x, 5 equals to 0. So you factor x, 2x plus 25. So what is common here? 2x, you have 2x plus 25 equals 0. So you have x minus 2 and 2x plus 25 equals 0. So you have either x equals to 2 or minus 25 over 2. So these are the two values of x. I don't know, what was that fast? Oh my god. All right. So I think you can take it step by step. I don't know whether I was too fast. Right? But I'm very sure that you understand how to undo quadratic equation from here. Okay, so you have x is 2 or minus 25 over 2. Please, if this video really helped you, don't forget to do what? To like and subscribe. Thank you. Just like, then subscribe. When you subscribe, I forgot something. You have to also share. Thank you.